Monday afternoon at Emerson Global User Exchange. We've just had lunch, and I'm here with Mike McAdams and Al Novak. Now, as we look at the biofuels industry, are we getting to the point now where the technology and the marketing and the whole industry is moving past a way to sell some surplus corn and to actually become a major part of our whole energy policy?
Peter, it's a great question, and we've really seen a migration over the last few years away from the traditional corn-based fuels and more into fuels that are very compatible with the existing infrastructure in the U.S. Emerson's working with more than a dozen companies right now that are looking to produce basically biogasoline, biodiesel, in some cases products superior to existing petroleum products and workable in the same infrastructure we already have. One of the best examples of those is Dynamic Fuels. Will be going online within the next few months and is going to be producing a commercial quantity of high-purity diesel fuel from chicken fat in Geismar, Louisiana.
So what's a commercial quantity? What's enough to make a difference?
They'll be producing about 75 million gallons a year of high-purity diesel fuel, which could be sold either as is or used as a blend stock for refineries to improve the sulfur characteristics of the diesel fuel that might be slightly off-spec from petroleum refining.
So chicken is low sulfur?
It is indeed.
Now, putting this into the larger context of energy policy, where are we headed with that on a national level?
Well, at the Advanced Biofuels Association, we strive for three things. One's very simple: technology neutrality. Government has a bad track record of picking winners. So what we urge the government to do is to let the market pick the winners. The second thing we've tried to do is advocate for parity across the incentive box. And there's a good example of, once again, Al's brought up Tyson Foods and Dynamic Fuels. Here's a company has stepped forward and lived up to its commitment to deliver 75 million gallons. They've done it at a time when the United States Congress has yet to renew the tax credits that expired in December 31, 2009. So we need certainty, we need technology neutrality, and we need subsidy parity across the board for all of these players in this industry to move forward and deliver real viable commercial products today.
So some of these things are happening in spite of the lack of government incentives.
Not only is Tyson the poster child, they didn't take any money from the American Recovery Act, but they also don't even have the tax credit that they built this plant thinking they would be able to help cash flow it.
Hey, do you have a session here on the program?
We do. Mike and I will be presenting this afternoon at the Alternative Fuels breakout session at 2 o'clock.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.